I like a plan, like I like an Excel spreadsheet, I like it all thought through. Sometimes things just don't go according to plan and it's totally out of your control.
I don't have the real estate up there.
But he's worried about the box on the back of the truck.
I've already decided that I will stretch wheelbase 2 foot. I've already decided that. I don't have the real estate.
Uh-oh, Houston, we have a problem. It's not one truck anymore.
It's almost 8 o'clock at night, Dallas, Texas, and Sheila is still on the hunt for a Ford Bronco. And there's no hidden gems in this video at all.
Well, isn't that special?
I thought it was special that they'd build a truck and then not build no parts for them. That was pretty special, wasn't it?
Things are just a little bit of a mess. He said we were trying to shove like 10 pounds of crap into a 5-pound bag.
It's time for a change. You can't grow by staying the same. It's our contribution for this